guide for electronics and semiconductor importers. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will provide a comprehensive guide to understanding ISF 102 requirements for importing electronics components and semiconductors. ISF 102 plays a critical role in ensuring compliance and the smooth importation of these sensitive and high-value goods. By understanding the specific requirements and procedures of ISF 102, importers can navigate the process effectively and meet customs regulations. Let's delve deeper into this topic. Overview of ISF 102 for electronics components and semiconductors. ISF 102 is an amendment or update to the original Importer Security Filing (ISF) submission for electronics components and semiconductors. It enables importers to report any changes, corrections, or updates related to the original filing, ensuring accurate information and compliance with customs regulations throughout the importation process. Importance of accurate information. Accurate information is crucial for the importation of electronics components and semiconductors due to their sensitive nature. ISF 102 allows importers to provide updated and precise information to customs authorities, reducing the risk of delays, penalties, or other compliance issues. ISF 102 triggering events. Various factors may trigger the need for an ISF 102 amendment in the electronics components and semiconductors industry. These may include changes in supplier information, modifications to the bill of lading, variations in packaging or container details, or any other relevant updates to the original filing. Importers should closely examine their specific situation and consult customs regulations or their customs broker to identify triggering events for ISF 102 amendments. Timely reporting. Importers should submit the ISF 102 amendment as soon as possible after discovering any changes or updates that need to be reported. Timely reporting facilitates accurate record-keeping and ensures that customs authorities have the most up-to-date information for efficient customs clearance. Contents of ISF 102 for electronics components and semiconductors. The ISF 102 amendment for electronics components and semiconductors should include specific changes or updates related to the original ISF filing. This may involve providing corrected or revised bill of lading information, updates to the supplier or manufacturer details, changes in packaging or container specifications, or any other relevant information pertaining to the importation of these goods. Correcting errors or inaccuracies. ISF 102 allows importers to rectify any errors or inaccuracies made in the original ISF filing for electronics components and semiconductors. It is crucial to ensure that the ISF 102 amendment accurately reflects the corrections or changes, as inaccuracies may lead to delays or penalties during customs clearance. ISF 102 submission process. Importers should consult the specific customs regulations and guidelines governing ISF 102 procedures for electronics components and semiconductors. Generally, the process involves submitting the amendment electronically or following the format prescribed by customs authorities. Importers should work closely with their customs broker to ensure compliance with the submission requirements. Collaboration with customs brokers. Collaborating with experienced customs brokers is particularly essential in the electronics components and semiconductors industry. Customs brokers have in-depth knowledge of customs regulations and can provide guidance and support throughout the ISF 102 amendment process. Importers should leverage their expertise to navigate the complexities and ensure compliance. Penalties for non-compliance. Failure to submit the required ISF 102 amendment or providing inaccurate or incomplete information may result in penalties imposed by customs authorities. Importers should be diligent in meeting the deadlines and providing accurate details in the ISF 102 amendment to avoid penalties and maintain compliance. Communication with customs authorities. Effective communication with customs authorities is crucial when submitting the ISF 102 amendment for electronics components and semiconductors. Importers should promptly notify customs authorities of any changes or updates and provide all necessary documentation and information to support the amendment. Maintaining open lines of communication helps ensure a smooth amendment process and compliance with customs regulations. Record keeping and documentation. It is important for importers to maintain accurate records of the ISF 102 amendment, including any communication with customs authorities and supporting documents. Proper record keeping strengthens compliance efforts and provides an audit trail for future reference. Regular compliance reviews and internal audits are essential for identifying any potential errors or discrepancies that may necessitate an ISF 102 amendment. Importers should establish internal controls to ensure accuracy in the original ISF filing and promptly identify any necessary amendments to maintain compliance with customs regulations. Technological solutions and automation. Leveraging technological solutions and automation can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of the ISF 102 amendment process for electronics components and semiconductors. Automation tools streamline data entry, perform validation checks, and facilitate the submission of accurate amendments. Importers should explore suitable technology solutions that integrate smoothly with their internal systems to streamline the overall amendment process. Employee training and education. Investing in employee training and education is crucial for importers dealing with electronics components and semiconductors. Regular training sessions and industry workshops help employees stay updated on customs regulations, including ISF 102 requirements. Staying informed ensures compliance and minimizes the risk of errors during amendment submissions. Continuous improvement and adaptability. Importers should continuously evaluate their ISF 102 processes to identify areas for improvement. Regular reviews of internal workflows, technology upgrades, and staying informed about customs regulations help identify process improvements. Importers should remain adaptable to changes in customs requirements and strive for continuous improvement in their compliance practices. Industry collaboration and associations. Active participation in industry collaboration and trade associations fosters knowledge sharing in customs compliance matters. Collaborating with industry peers allows for the exchange of best practices, experiences, and collective efforts to address challenges specific to the importation of electronics components and semiconductors. Industry collaboration promotes compliance and strengthens the industry's voice in customs-related discussions. Thank you for watching today's video on the guide to understanding ISF 102 requirements for importing electronics components and semiconductors. Complying with ISF 102 is crucial for accurate import documentation, compliance with customs regulations, and efficient customs clearance. Importers should remain diligent in understanding the requirements, collaborating with customs brokers, and maintaining accurate records. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade.